Welcome to Mohan Process. In this video, we are going to talk about exponents and powers. This is for 8th standard, and let us start. What is exponents and powers? Exponential notation is a way to express repeated multiplication of the same number. Suppose 2 to the power of 3. If you are having 2 to the power of 3 means how we will write it? 2 to the power of 3 means the 2 into 2 into 2. So the 2 is repeated as per the power 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. The same number we are repeated multiplication we are doing. That is the meaning of the exponential notation. Is a way to express the repeated multiplication of the same number. Okay. Now let us see the laws of exponents. A to the power of m into a to the power of n. Here you can see a. The power is different, m and n. A is called as a base and m is called the exponent. If we are having the same base, then you can add the power to the base, a to the power of m plus n. Here, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. That means a to the power of m minus n. Is a to the power of m minus n if m is greater than n. Suppose if it is like this. A to the power of 5 divided by a to the power of 2. Here, it is m. M is greater than the denominator power, right? N. So that means a to the power of 5 minus 2. Suppose if you are having like this, a to the power of 3 divided by a to the power of 7. Here m is less than 7. So if it is the case, we have to write like this. A to the power of n minus m. So that is equal to 1 by a to the power of 4. Understand? This a to the power of m minus 1 if m is greater than n. If m is less than n means it will come inverse 1 by a to the power of n minus m. Clear? Now a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. Here a to the power of m into b to the power of m. Here the base is different. So we have to multiply the base and put the power over here. AB to the power of m. Similarly, for here a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m is equal to a by b to the power of m. Clear? A to the power of 0 is equal to 1. It is always 1. Whatever the base. If the base is 100 to the power of 0 is equal to always 1. Whatever the base, if the power is 0 means the value is 1. A to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 by a. Suppose if a to the power of minus 3 means 1 by a cubed we can write. Okay. Now here a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n. If a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, here the same base means then the powers will be same. M is equal to n. Suppose if it is like this. 2 to the power of k is equal to 2 to the power of 3. Here the base is same. Therefore k is equal to 3 we can say. Here k is m. Here the number 3 is n. So k is equal to 3. This we will use it in the coming exercises, then you will understand very clearly. Okay. Now these exponents and powers will play a major role in representing the very large numbers and very small numbers in the standard form. That standard form we can call it as a scientific notation. Suppose if you are having a very big number 1, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. So how we will represent in the standard form? we have to take only one in unit place, other numbers we have to write 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 to the power of 7. How many whole numbers we have converted as a decimal? 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, by converting the whole numbers into decimal, this is called the standard form or scientific notation of this very large number. What about very small number? 0.00056. So this we have to represent. It is a very small number, right? 0.00056. So how we will represent this? 5.6 multiply with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 decimals we are converting, right? So 10 to the power of minus 5 we have to write. Whenever you are converting a decimal into a whole number, the exponential power will be minus. Whenever you are converting a whole number into decimal, the exponential power should be in plus. It should be very important. Okay, this we will do it in some exercises and understand it very clearly. Let us move to the next. Here we have to simplify and express the result in positive exponent. The exponent should be positive. Okay, so here minus 3 to the power of 4. How we will write? We can minus 3 to the power of 4. So minus 3 to the power of 4, what will happen? Minus into minus into minus into minus. 4 times if we are multiplying minus, it will become plus, right? So 3 to the power of 4 into here 5 to the power of 4 divided by 3 to the power of 4. Correct? What I did? A by b to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m divided by b to the power of n. Right? So that is equal to, now we have to collect the base powers. 3 to the power of 4, this 3 to the power of 4 divided by 3 to the power of 4. This will go as minus 4 into 5 to the power of 4. So what will happen? This 3 to the power of 0 into 5 to the power of 4. 3 to the power of 0 is equal to what? 1 into 5 to the power of 4. So therefore, your answer is 5 to the power of 4. Clear? Here what happened here? 3 to the power of minus 7 divided by 3 to the power of minus 10. 3 to the power of minus 7 divided by 3 to the power of minus 10 into 3 to the power of minus 5. So how we will write? Here all the base is same. So we have to add. First we will do minus 7 plus minus 5. This minus will come as minus, right? Minus 10. Now we have to simplify. 3 to the power of minus 7 plus into minus, minus 5, minus into minus, plus 10. So what you will get? 3 to the power of minus 7, minus 5 what? Minus 12. Minus 12 plus 10, minus 2. Is it correct? What we have to do? Positive exponent. Here what is your question? Here we have to express a positive exponent. Here it is negative exponent, right? So we have to convert into a positive. What will happen? 1 divided by 3 square. Now it is a positive exponent. Understand? Here let us do this. 25 into t to the power of minus 4 whole divided by 5 to the power of minus 2 into 10 into t to the power of minus 7. This 25, how we can write? 25 we can write it as 5 square into t to the power of minus 4, right? Divided by 5 minus 2, this 10 we can write it as 2 into 5 into t to the power of minus 7. Why I have made it as 10 into 2 into 5? Because here in numerator we don't have any 10 value. So whatever the value we are having, we have to bring the constant in the base, whatever the base we are having in the numerator. So I have convert this 10 into 2 into 5. Now we have to rearrange the powers of all the bases. 5 square, here we are having 5, right? This minus 2 will go as plus 2, right? And then this plus 1 will go as minus 1. Then what about t? T to the power of minus 4, this minus 7 will go as plus 7. What we left? Left with 2. So that is equal to, what will happen? 5, 2 plus 2, 4 minus 1, 3, 5 cube into t to the power of 3 divided by 2. So that is equal to 5 cubed can be written as 125 t cubed by 2. Clear? This is the answer for the first one. What about the second one? 3 to the power of minus 5 into 10 to the power of minus 5. So here 3 to the power of minus 5 and 10 to the power of minus 5, how I am going to write? 2 to the power of minus 5 into 5 to the power of minus 5. What I did, this 10 I have split it into 2 into 5 and applied to the power. Okay, into 125. 125 can be written as 5 to the power of 3, right? Divided by 5 to the power of minus, here the 5 to the power of minus 3 we can take 3. Okay, 5 to the power of minus 3 into 6 to the power of minus 5. How I am going to write this? 2 to the power of minus 5 and 3 to the power of minus 5. This 6 to the power of minus 5, how I have written? 2 to the power of minus 5 and 3 to the power of minus 5. Understand? This is 3. The power is 3. Okay. So now we have to collect all the base power. 3, 5. Here any 3 is there? No. So only 3 to the power of minus 5. In denominator we are having 3 to the power of minus 5. This minus 5 will go as plus 5. Now 2 to the power of minus 5. Here we are having 2 to the power of minus 5. This will go as plus 5. And then 5 to the power of minus 5. 5 to the power of 3. So what will happen? 5 to the power of minus 2, right? Minus 5 plus 3 minus 2. Here we are having 5 to the power of minus 3. So this minus 3 will go as plus 3. That's it. We have sent all the denominator powers to the numerator. Now we have to simplify. 3 to the power of minus 5 plus 5, 0. Into 2 to the power of 0. Into 5 to the power of 1. So 5 to the power on 1 we no need to put, we can put 5. So now here we are putting 1, no problem. If we are putting 1 or without 1 also it is valid. So 3 to the power of 0 into 2 to the power of 0, what we will get? 1 into 5. So your answer is 5. Clear? Let us go to the next. Here we have to find the value of 3 to the power of m is equal to 27. Find the value of m. How we have to do that? Let us do it. Here 3 to the power of m. Three to the power of m is equal to 27. So that means 3 to the power of m. This 27 we should bring it in the form of the base 3. So how we can write 27? 3 cubed, right? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. This 27 we can write it as 3 cubed. Here the base is same. Therefore, if a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, means m is equal to n, I told, right? Therefore, m is equal to 3. The value of m is 3 here. What about this? 5 to the power of p plus 2 is equal to 625. So that is 5 to the power of p plus 2 is equal to this 625. We have to bring it in the form of 5 base. Here we are having the base as 5, right? So we have to bring the whole number in the form of 5. So 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5, what? 125. 125 into 5. So 5 to the power of 4, we can write the 625, we can write like this, right? 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. What you will get? 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 25 is equal to 625. Therefore, 5 to the power of 4. So here the base is same. Therefore, p plus 2 is equal to 4. So p is equal to what? 4 minus 2. That is equal to 2. So p is equal to 2. Understand? Now, here evaluate 8 to the power of minus 1 into 5 to the power of 3 whole divided by 2 to the power of minus 4. How to do that? Let us write the question. 8 to the power of minus 1 into 5 cubed divided by 2 to the power of minus 4. So that is equal to a to the power of minus 1. I am going to write it in the form of 2 cubed into minus 1 into 5 to the power of 3. This 2 minus 4. Understand? 8 we can write it as 2 to the power of 3. So 3 into minus 1, m into n. What you will get? 2 to the power of minus 3. And this 2 to the power of minus 4 will go as a plus 4 and 5 cube. Then clear? So 2 to the power of minus 3 plus 4, you will get 2 to the power of 1. So that means 2 into 5 cube. So that is equal to 2 into 5 cube, what? 125. So that is equal to 250 is your answer. What about this? See, 1 by 2 to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by 3 to the power of minus 2, the plus 1 by 4 to the power of minus 2. So here it is minus, right? How we can write this? 2 to the power of 2 I am writing. Understand what I did? This minus I have converted into plus. Understand or not? This will be written as 3 square. This will be written as 4 square. So that is equal to 2 square means 4 plus 9 plus 16. So that is equal to 4 plus 9, 13. 13 plus 16, 29. How I have converted this? 1 by 2. That means here I have minus 2 minus 2. right? So that means what you will get? 1 by 2 to the power of minus 2, right? So if I am bringing it over here, 1 by 2 minus 2 will come as 2 square. So I have written it directly here. Understand? So let us go to the next. The last one, now we are going to find the standard form of the given sum. 0.000085 we have to write it in the standard form or scientific notation. Okay, how we will write that? First one, you see what I told, 8.5. Here we are converting decimal into whole number, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that means 10 to the power of, what will come? Minus 12, because we are converting decimal into whole number. Clear? What about the second one? Here 9.42 we have to write, only one unit place. Then 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here also we are getting 12. What about the third one? Here you see 1, 2, 3. Okay, what I told you, 6.02. So all other things are 0. We no need to put 0, but we have to count for the power. 10 to the power of. After this only we have put a decimal, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here it will come as plus. Clear? Once again we will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15. Correct. 6.02 into 10 to the power of 15. What about this fourth one? Here 8.37 you have to put first. 8.37 into 10 you have to put. Then you have to put the power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here it will come plus 9 or minus 9? Minus 9. Because we are converting decimal into a whole number. What about the last one? Here 3.186 into 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 to the power of 10. It should be positive. So whole number to decimal, what will come? 10 to the power of positive power. Okay. If it is decimal to whole number, what will come? 10 to the power of minus n. Understand? It is very, very important. So express the following numbers in usual form. Now it is in a scientific notation. We have to represent in the usual form. So the reverse. So here 3.02 into 10 to the power of minus 6. That means what? We have to bring this in the form of decimal, right? Here minus 6. So that means how we will write that? 0 point, here 3 is there now, so 5 zeros you have to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 0, 2. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3.02 into 10 to the power of 6. Correct. You can recheck it. Here 4.5 into 10 to the power of 4. So 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Here, sorry, clear? 4.5 into 10 to the power of 4 means we have to, after 4 decimal, we should have 4 whole numbers. What about the third? 3 into 10 to the power of minus 8. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 3, 8. That's it. Okay, this we have represented in this form only. The fourth one, let us check it as 3 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 10 to the power of minus 8. What about this? 1.001. So that means 1, 9 right here. 1, already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here, that's it. That's it for the day. You practice like this in your textbook for the standard and scientific notation. So like this you may get a question in your examinations. I hope you understand exponents and powers. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe and give your likes. Thank you.